Cozy tiny homes and stylish outdoor retreats embrace nature with elegant courtyards in small spaces. In today's fast-paced world, the allure of cozy tiny homes and ingenious small house courtyards has captured the imagination of those seeking to redefine modern living. These compact sanctuaries are masterfully designed, where every square meter is an exercise in efficiency, beauty, and comfort, challenging conventional notions of luxury and space. By adeptly integrating nature-infused interiors with tropical courtyard escapes, these tiny retreats become havens of tranquility and inspiration, offering a seamless blend of indoor coziness and outdoor serenity. At the heart of this movement is an emphasis on eco-friendly backyard designs that not only respect but celebrate the natural world. With sustainability serving as a core principle, these homes utilize renewable materials and energy-efficient systems to minimize their ecological footprint while maximizing aesthetic appeal and functionality. From solar panels discreetly powering household needs to rainwater harvesting systems sustaining lush greenery, each element is thoughtfully incorporated to promote harmony with the environment. The versatility of small house courtyards further enhances the appeal of these retreats, transforming the outdoor space into a multifunctional extension of the home. Imagine stepping into a serene firepit nook, where the gentle crackle of flames offers warmth and an inviting ambience for evening gatherings or solitary reflection. Alternatively, consider the enchanting presence of a lush vertical garden that elevates walls with vibrant greenery, ensuring that even limited spaces are rich with plant life and fresh air. For those seeking a tranquil escape, a Zen water feature might serve as the courtyard's centerpiece, providing soothing sights and sounds that invoke a sense of calm. These features not only promote relaxation, but also demonstrate how thoughtful design can create impactful, immersive experiences in small spaces. The blend of natural materials, such as stone and wood with carefully selected flora, enhances the peaceful atmosphere emblematic of these nature-inspired retreats. Each of these design choices underscores the philosophy that luxury and comfort are not products of size, but of creativity, intention, and a keen eye for detail. By reimagining small spaces, these cozy tiny homes and their stylish courtyards challenge us to think differently about our living environments. They invite us to explore how design can foster connections to nature while providing functional spaces that cater to modern needs. Ultimately, the world of cozy tiny homes and small house courtyards is a testament to the belief that our homes are reflections of our values and aspirations. By prioritizing sustainable practices and innovative designs, these spaces offer more than just shelter. They provide a lifestyle that champions simplicity, elegance, and environmental mindfulness. Whether you're inspired by the warmth of a firelit evening, the vibrancy of vertical gardens, or the calm of a water-filled oasis, these tiny retreats promise to elevate everyday living into an artful experience.